Have you ever seen a tent that looks like butterfly? Check this out. I'm gonna unbox this butterfly cross double hull, a lightweight two-man tent from Naturehike. Wait no more, let's do it together now. This is gonna be a very interesting unboxing because this tent is very unique. It's a two-man tent and very lightweight. So for those of you guys campers, if you're watching this unboxing video, right, if you are planning for a solo camping and also like with your loved one, with your wife, going for camping moment, this tent definitely suitable for you. Without setting up your tarpaulin, your fly sheet, this tent will do everything. So it's gonna be a very interesting unboxing as what's the specifications for this tent. So basically, first one is a 210T Polystyrene Clothe, waterproof with 3000 mm. Secondly, is a crossbar symmetric. Thirdly, is a double doors, which is very spacious, and you have both side views if you are setting up this tent at a campsite. And of course, it's a large hall. You can actually put up your tables and chair and do your cooking around this tent. And last but not least, it's a very lightweight, which is 2.7 kg only. So for length, right, from left to right, it's only 46 centimeter, and diameter is only 18 centimeter. The pack of these tents are pretty nice, as you can see, are pretty compact, and they come with a string. Alright, so when you pack and unpack this tent are pretty easy. And over here there's a straps here, so when you're walking towards the campground and you pack and going back, so you can hold it over here and easy and fast. By the way, this tent is not sponsored and purchased by my own money. If you're new to this channel, my name is Snow. Welcome to SnowMakerTV YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is all about outdoors camping activities and also coffee content. If you haven't subscribed to these channels, please do so that you will be able to encourage me and also support this channel to grow. So if you like content like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And of course, share this content with your friends and family. Now let's open up this tent. So excited. So as you can see, the back of this tent comes with a simple instructions. Very nice, from Naturehike, with the straps clip here. Easy to unpack and pack. After unpack it, and over here that's all from this Naturehike tent. So this one is the inner tent, and this one is a pool, this one is a pack, this one is the back for this tent, and this is the outer cover for this tent. So this is the pool. So far they come with a nice pouch. Pretty usual from Naturehike with the packs. Putting everything aside, and open up the inner tent. As this Naturehike claims a big haul, so let's find out together. 4 packs all together. Pack it front corners and back corners. After you pack it, that looks like this. So what I like about Naturehike tents, most of the tents are designed clip like this for convenience wise, the tarpaulins of the cover of the tent. And Naturehike designs come with a ring like this. So the pools will actually insert, the edge of the pools will insert inside this ring here. So this is what I like about Naturehike. Then this Naturehike, there comes with a 2 set of pool. I will put 1 set on the left and 1 set on the right. Then after that, what you'll need to do basically is to make sure the center part, as you can see, the center part, the white color, arrange it as in parallel, straight parallel, so that you will insert the pull easily from here. So what I do for easy wise, I will insert and open, insert and open another set of pull and come off from the other end. So for closer look, I will show you guys how to insert the pull for this type of tent. I will not open up the entire pull, I will open partially and start inserting the pull into this tent. Here you are. This is how it looks like coming out from the other end. So after inserting the pull, leave some gap in between the right hand side and the left hand side. So the length approximately around 4 feet each side. So the other side, as you can see, around 3 to 4 feet. As I mentioned earlier, this tent is actually a crossbar symmetric type of tent. So basically the two pull, you really put it parallel like this. So you have to fix the pull as in crossing like this. So let's do it. And insert the pull inside the ring. Crossbar symmetry, interesting. This side also, fix a crossbar symmetric. Here you are, the pull insert into the Naturehike tent. We come with the ring. This is what I like about Naturehike tent. Ta-da! Isn't it looks like a butterfly? So next step will be the clips. I would call it a quick release clip, which is so convenient and fast. The other side. So basically these tents, they come with a 4 clip front and also on the right hand side. Alright, before I cover the outer tent, I will measure and show you guys how big is this tent is for the inner tent. I brought my measurement tapes here. It's approximately around 217 centimeters. And on the left hand side, 130 centimeter, which is quite big. And for height now, I'm actually 170 centimeter. So from the ground to the highest point is 107 centimeters, which is inside the Naturehike specifications. So somewhere is around here, and my hips here. So of course this is the higher points. The center points is actually slightly down, slightly inside. Finally, it's time for me to cover the outer tent. And of course, before I cover the outer tent, you need to get yourself prepared some extra pulls. This Naturehike, this model, it doesn't come with a pull, so you have to bring yourself a pull. Depends how high you want to lift up the outer tent. So I brought myself a total 6 pull. So I will show you guys you can actually put as high as you want with 3 pulls together. And of course, coming together with the packs in this Naturehike tent, they provided 8 packs. So as you can see, the inner tent, I really install the 4 packs. So extra 4 packs is for you to install the outer tent. Of course, beside the pole, you need to get yourself another 4 packs to also together with the string. Total, you need 4 string, 4 packs, and also the pulls. So this tent, right, come with 2 colors. So I purchased this tent color of brown. And another color is actually green and white. So the only options is these 2 colors. Here you are, pretty straightforward outer tent. So of course, most of the tent, they come with a string to tie. For all 4 corners also have provided this string After tying the string from the outer into the inner tent, so it's time to clip the quick release clip. So if the strap is not long enough, you can actually loosen it up. Alright, then clip it first and see whether there's a tension on it. If a little bit too loose, you can actually tighten it, which is what I like about Naturehike tent. And this tent comes with a ventilation window. This is the extension sticker to lift up for the ventilation entering inside. Another side, one thing I like about tent design, it comes with two, at least left or right side, or front and back, with a good ventilations. Let's install the front outer tent, the tarp. First of all, unzip both sides. Installing the pegs on the left and the right side. So now I grab myself 2-pole extension, put pegs each side one, then get myself ready with a string. So with the extensions of 2-pole, the other side also using 2-pole extensions. So after completing the outer tent, this is how it looks like, which is I'm squatting down. Of course, you can actually extend it, the pool with 3 pools together, so it will lift up a little bit higher. So I will show you guys in a short while after I extending the other side of the outer tent. One pegs on the left and one pegs on the right. Okay, unzip it for both sides. Again, extend the pole with 2 pole. After install the outer tent and the inner tent, so this is how it looks like, the double wall Naturehike tent. So basically you can roll up this door, this tent door, and they come together with the clip, hold the door tent. After you hold it, and looks tidy and fit. And you can sit down here and relax. So for this Naturehike tent, they claim that this tent do have a large hole. So this is pretty big. I will measure and show you guys how big is the hole. Now I'm squatting here. So imagine you putting your camping tent and stove, everything. So with a chair, as I mentioned just now, you can actually extend this pool to 3 pool. Extend it so it looks higher. I will show you in the short while in this video. So you do your cooking here, and you will call it a night inside the tent here. So let's do the measurement. So from the inner tent to the this point, so it's 72.5 centimeters, and for the length from left to the right side, it's around 140 centimeters. From the Naturehike claims that this tent is a big hole. So from inner tent, from outside the outer tent, is 150 centimeters. So now I would like to share with you guys the pros and the cons of this tent. The pros definitely is a large hole, front and also the back. So of course the pool is not including in this Naturehike brand. And the pros is definitely the ventilation here. Alright, so of course this part, right, if they are able to include the hook here, sewing another hook here, then will be even better. But after all, I'm satisfied with one ventilation. Of course, this is the another side of this big hall. And of course, what I really like about this tent, because there's two doors here. So basically, if you're coming with a couple to camping moment, so you no need to depend on one side to exit. So you can actually exit from your side and the other side. So from front view, this is how it looks like. Double wall, double door, and very tidy and organized. Such a great design from the Naturehike with a hook, tidy. And this is how it looks like with an extra pocket over there on the front and also on the back. And of course, one of the downside here, they don't have a hook on top here. You can see now I'm sitting down here. There's no hook on top here. It's because due to a crossbar symmetric type of design tent. So this part is actually the inner tent. I don't think so they're able to install a hook here. So the downside of this tent is inner tent. I'm not too sure where to actually hang the lights. So this is one of the downsides. And of course, over this side, more space to put your stuff here to prevent the rain. Now to extend the pool to 3 pool, loosen it up and add another pool. So the pool, actually you can put it at the corner here so that it doesn't disturb the big hall. So when y'all do the cooking around this area, so this pool can put at the side there. Okay, another side. Ta-da! After extending another pool here, extending 3 pool, as you can see, the outer tent is even higher. So the big hall is even more spacious now for cooking and for your coffee moment, with 2 chairs and also a table in front over here. So as you can see, I'm at a 170 centimeter. Now it is almost next to my neck here. So imagine if I'm sitting on the camping chair right here right now and in front of me with a table. So I still have some space between the outer tent and my head. I'm pretty satisfied with this tent, and once again a quick unboxing and also review on the pros and cons of these tents. After all, I would like to give this tent 9 out of 10. So once again, for you guys who are watching this video, thank you so much for dropping by. Hope this unboxing of a Naturehike tent will give you some information and guidance. Can consider to purchase one of the tent like this. As I mentioned just now, they come with 2 colors. This one I chose the brown colors, and the other one which is the green and the white colors. So hope to see you guys again in near future. Take care, bye.